Hi and welcome. This is Mary with My Beautiful Mess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do a really quick video to show you this new sticker book storage that the Happy Planner came out with. I was very excited when this came out because if you've been a planner babe for a while, you know that these sticker books take up a lot of room. And I'm almost embarrassed to say this, but I have one of those cute crafting carts, and that sucker was filled a long time ago. It is like my collection has overflowed into like 2 different 31 bags. I've got stuff stacked on bookshelves. I mean, I have so much. So I kind of wanted to show you the sticker book storage, just kind of see how it works and my opinion on it. I found this at Joanns, and I want to say it was $14.99. I don't think there's a price on it, but I'm pretty sure I paid $14.99 for it. And today I'm just going to show you how easy it is to put it together. So we're just going to take it out of the package real quick. This came in 3 different kinds of colors. There's this one, which is kind of neutral, and it has a pink inside, although I'll tell you, once you put the sticker books in there, you can't really tell the inside color. It doesn't really show. Then they had a, I want to say like a black and white kind of polka dot one, and then they also had a kind of like a rainbow, you know, kind of like a unicorn kind of look, you know, like a rainbow pastel. They were all very pretty. I got the one that was neutral because that's the one that I think would do better in my house. But all you do is, it's got this little panel here that has sticky tape, okay? And this is going to end up kind of being on the side of it. So you're just going to kind of open it up like this. It's very easy. This then becomes your bottom, so you just flap it over. And then you'll just take off the tape. I will say it's a little stiff when you first like open it up. I bought 2 of these, and I have to be kind of honest. I had, and I don't know if it's, we're gonna find out. I don't know if it's just that particular one or if this is kind of like a design issue. But the one I already opened up, this flap doesn't totally stay stuck very well. I've had it on my bookshelf for about a week, and the flap kind of keeps coming undone. But all you do is you just line it up and you just flap it over. What I'm going to try to do differently on this one that I didn't do on the other one is I'm going to try to weight this down a little bit and make sure that that gets good and stuck, because the one that I did, it keeps flopping open. You know, it doesn't seem totally secure. And like I said, I don't know if that's just that particular one that I happened to pick up that's not very sticky, or if it's like a design issue. I don't really know. But what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to weight it down and see if that helps, because it looks fine, but then after a few days it starts to kind of it starts to open back up. So this is kind of what it looks like. I love that it is kind of compartmentalized. It has 3 compartments, and you'll see from the side that it kind of has like an angle to it. Okay. And like I said, once you get some sticker books in it, you really can't see the color. So let's just throw a few sticker books in there, and I'll just kind of show you like what I mean. Once you start putting stuff in there, you don't even really notice the inside. Just so you can kind of see how it all fits. And this is great. It fits the accessory books and all that. So you can kind of see how that fits in there. Once it's all full, you can't really see anything. So anyway, that's it. It's just a quick video. I just wanted to kind of show you if you've been wondering about whether what these things are, or whether or not you want one. Honestly, if I can get this to stick really well, I love it. I love it because it gives me some sticker space on shelves, and you can store them vertically like that, which saves up a lot of room. The other thing that it comes with, so you may have noticed on the sticker books, the old sticker books didn't have anything written. So when you were storing them vertically, it was kind of a challenge to figure out which sticker book you were looking at. So a lot of planner babes, myself included, would write the name of the book on the top because we store them vertically. And so this also comes with labels. So you would basically have to use like a white pen to write on the black spine, which a lot of us did. But with this storage space, they're actually giving you matte sticker labels to put on the top of the books to store them. So how awesome is that? This is something that we could have used a long time ago, but they finally gave them to us. So if you don't have a white pen, you can just write on whatever ink whatever ink you want and stick it on your sticker book, and then you can see, what they're labeled as. So thank you so much for joining. Please make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe for future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching.